Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a website that accepts payments in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to connect your payment processor so your site and funnels can securely take orders without extra plugins or custom code. This is especially useful if you want to sell products, collect deposits, book paid appointments, offer subscriptions, or take payments directly through your funnel. First, open your GoHighLevel account and head to your workspace dashboard. From the main menu on the left, look for the Payments section. This is the hub where invoices, products, and your payment connections live. Click Payments to open it. Think of this section as your main payment control center, because this is where GoHighLevel connects your business, your checkout forms, and your customer transactions together. Inside Payments, go to the Integrations area. This is where you'll connect the provider that will process your customer transactions. If you don't immediately see the one you want, expand the More Providers section. Here you'll find popular options like Stripe, PayPal, Authorize.net, and additional gateways that may be available depending on your region and account type. Availability can vary, so it is always worth checking which provider works best for your country, currency, and business setup. Take a moment to choose the provider that best fits your business. Stripe is a great all-round option for credit and debit cards and often supports Apple Pay and Google Pay. PayPal lets customers pay from their balance or linked cards and is familiar to a lot of buyers. Authorize.net is a solid choice if your business already uses it or if you need specific merchant features. For example, if you are selling digital products or online services, Stripe may be simple and flexible. If your audience already trusts PayPal, adding PayPal can help reduce hesitation at checkout. Before you commit, consider things like fees, supported currencies, and whether you want features such as digital wallets or recurring billing handled by the gateway. When you're ready, click Connect on the provider you've selected. GoHighLevel will redirect you to that provider's secure authorization page. Sign into your existing account or follow the prompts to confirm access. Make sure you are signing into the correct business account because this is the account where your payments will be processed and tracked. You'll be asked to allow GoHighLevel to create charges and manage transactions on your behalf. Approve the connection, and when the authorization completes, you'll be returned to GoHighLevel with the integration marked as connected. Once you see that connected status, it means GoHighLevel can now communicate with your payment provider and use it inside your checkouts, funnels, and order forms. If you plan to accept more than one payment method, repeat the same process for each additional provider. For example, you can connect Stripe for cards and PayPal for customers who prefer using their wallet, giving your buyers flexibility at checkout. This can be a smart move because different customers prefer different payment options, and giving them more choice can help reduce abandoned checkouts. A couple of quick tips to keep everything smooth. Make sure your business details and your payment provider match your GoHighLevel workspace information to avoid verification delays. If your provider offers a test or sandbox mode, use it to run a small trial transaction before you go live. This helps you confirm that the checkout, payment confirmation, receipts, and follow-up automation are working correctly before real customers start paying. Once connected, your gateways will appear inside GoHighLevel's website and funnel checkouts, so you can enable them on your order forms and start selling confidently. From there, you can use payments for one-time offers, service bookings, paid consultations, online courses, product sales, or recurring memberships depending on your business model. That's it! You've connected payments in GoHighLevel, clearing the way for a website that accepts secure transactions with just a few clicks. Now you can turn your website or funnel into a simple sales system where visitors can choose an offer, complete checkout, and become paying customers smoothly.